In this lecture, we will talk about virtual services in Istio. So earlier, we talked about gateways in Istio, and we saw that gateways is the way that we use to configure the Istio ingress gateway to accept a specific traffic. We saw that, for example, we can create a book info gateway to accept the traffic coming to bookinfo.app. Okay? And we specify also the port number, for example, on the port 80, and the protocol, for example, HTTP. Okay? So now we have to handle the traffic coming to this gateway. So where and how the traffic coming to the book info gateway should be routed. To specify how and where to route the coming traffic, we can do that using virtual services. So a virtual service is an Istio CRD which provides advanced traffic routing rules. It offers, for example, traffic splitting, canary deployment, A/B testing, URI-based routing, and more advanced features. So for example, let's say that we want to route the traffic coming to bookinfo.app/product page, and also bookinfo.app/login. And you have also some other URIs. We want to route the traffic coming to all of these URI to the microservice one, okay, to this microservice. So what we have to do is to specify these rules in a YAML file to create a virtual service, and then the created virtual service will route the traffic coming to the book info gateway as we specify in the YAML file, okay? So it will follow the routing rules specified in the YAML file. So after applying this YAML file, we will have here a virtual service, and the virtual service will route the traffic coming through the book info gateway to the microservice one following the routing rules specified in the YAML file, okay? Now let's say that we want to split the traffic from the microservice one. We want to send 99% to the version 1 of the microservice 2 and only 1% to the version 2 of the microservice 2. With Kubernetes services, the distribution can be only 50% to V1 and 50% to V2 because here we have only 2 pods, okay? And the Kubernetes service will distribute the traffic equally between all the instances, okay? But with virtual services, we can distribute the traffic as we want, regardless of the number of pods, by defining subsets using destination rules. So for example, here we can create a subset of V1 and a subset of V2. For now, what we have to know about subset is just a way to group a set of pods together, okay? Because here either for V1 or V2, we have only one instance of the microservice 2. But let's say that we have 2 pods running the version 1 of the microservice 2. So we can group them together using a subset. And then we create a virtual service to split the traffic between the 2 subsets. So we want to send 99% of the traffic to V1 and only 1% to subset V2. So here using virtual services and subsets, we can split the traffic as we want regardless of the number of pods. Because even, for example, if you have more than one pod running the V1 of the microservice 2, we can group them together using a subset. So here we talked mainly about two Istio CRTs, virtual services, and destination rules. So we can think about virtual services as how we route the traffic to a given destination, and then we use destination rules to configure what happens to the traffic for that destination. So that's an overview of virtual services and destination rules. I hope that everything is clear, and thank you very much.